Solve the inequality. 5 minus 3x over 2 greater or equal to 2x plus 3 over 5. And this is a fraction. I we need to clear the fraction by multiplying both sides or each term of this inequality by the LCM of 2 and 5. The LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So 10 multiplied by 5 minus 3x over 2 is greater or equal to 10 multiplied by 2x plus 3 over 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 5. Another way we can do that is to cross multiply right here. This time, then you can see we still have the same 5 multiplying it. And this time, we also have the same 2 multiplying it. So now let's distribute this 5. What do I mean by that? I will multiply each term in the bracket by the term outside. Do it here, also do it here. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times negative 3, that is negative 15x, greater or equal to 2 times 2x is 4x, and 2 times 3 is 6. Collecting items, this negative 15x and 4x are alike, so bring them together. That will be negative 15x. This is plus 4x. When it crosses the sign of inequality, it becomes minus 4x. If greater or equal to, and this 6 right here, this 25 also will cross over to 6. This is plus 25. When it crosses this sign, it becomes minus 25. Now negative 15x minus 4x is negative 19x, greater or equal to 6 minus 25 is minus 19. Divide both sides by minus 19, so we can get rid of this by minus 19. This will go. Now remember that whenever we divide by a negative sign, the sign of inequality will change. So we're going to find the sign instead of greater than or equal to, it becomes less than or equal to. Now negative 19 divided by negative 19 is 1. So s is less than or equal to 1.